Whoa, 1, 2, 3 o'clock tonight. The whole town's jumping under neon lights. Cadillacs are rolling, everybody knows. The greatest cats are stealing the show. Elvis Presley shakes his hips in a blue spotlight. Fats domino pounding piano way past midnight. Ricky Nelson croons sweet harmony soft and low, while Little Richard screaming, ready, set, let's go. Heave a bit album ringing loud. Teenage hearts all in the crowd. Every jukebox in the land rocking to the greatest band. Oh, rock, rock, rock tonight. Everybody swinging under moonlight. Legends playing side by side. Keep that rockin' spirit alive. Hey, 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 don't let it stop. Sock hop shaking till we drop. From Memphis down to New Orleans, they're playing the wildest scene. Jerry Lee Lewis kicking chairs beside the keys. Buddy Holly strumming melodies with ease. Chuck Berry Duck walks across the wooden floor, and Richie Valens makes the whole place roar. Aretha Franklin sings so deep from her heart. Young Tina Turner tears the whole stage apart. Sam Cooke smooth as summer radio, while Ella Fitzgerald swings the night real slow. Chubby Checker twists the whole dance floor around. Everybody stomping to that crazy sound. Frank Sinatra walks in cool velvet style, finger snapping smooth with a golden smile. Everybody clap your hands, feel that beat across the land. Golden voices, guitars bright, burning like a star tonight. Oh, rock, rock, rock tonight. Every legend underneath the one light. Voices flying through the air. Old time magic everywhere. Hey, 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 hear the crowd singing every word out loud. Rock and roll will never die as long as these old songs survive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The jukebox glows, the record spins, and the legends pray for